In this tutorial, we'll take on the role of workbook authors completing self-service data preparation to learn how to replace missing or null values in a dataset in Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Replacing missing or null values and reorganizing them into appropriate categories improves data quality for analysis. To begin, I'll upload a dataset from a local file. From the home page, I'll select Create and then Dataset. Next, I'll select Drop Data File here or click to browse, navigate to and select the HCM Employee Performance Data file and then select Open. In this scenario, I'm an HR manager doing an analysis on my performance data. I notice that in the Quality Insights bar on the Department Name column, missing or null is displayed. When there is no department name recorded, I want to set this as not specified, so I'll double-click missing or null and type not specified, then press Enter. This will recategorize the missing or null values into not specified, improving data integrity and consistency, preventing grouping and segmentation issues, and avoiding errors in reports and visualizations. Once the data is refreshed, Oracle Analytics adds a Replace List step to Preparation Script panel. In that panel, I can edit, delete, and manage the step. I'll select Save to save my changes and apply them to my data. Now I have a cleaner, higher quality dataset without missing or null values. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.